So the primary characteristics for microservices were to make sure that you get developers up to speed very fast. So that's a very important step. They're not spending ages learning about how you work, how the system works, what tools they have. You need to make it intuitive and hopefully online. You then need to aim to make sure that you have well-defined services and applications that you're writing to, that they work in a distributed manner, so therefore one person can be writing on a microservice which will be deployed independently. You also have a very good way of understanding where the services are and what services do, so you have to have registries, and you have to have a good capability to share those via APIs from wherever to wherever. So it's building a structure of very well-defined systems where people know what's there. The worst situation you can be in is when somebody else develops a service to do the same thing as somebody else with a slight difference. The idea being that you should have services which are defined enough to complete all of the needs of a particular app.